see him, he came around here, boom, hit right here, hit the tripod obviously, moved the wall, see the wall's been moved, moved the wall, sorry I zoom out, and then ended up over there. That's scary looking. That's probably the most scary looking wreck I've ever, like, aftermath I've ever seen. Just because it's on the roof. Tow truck coming in. Jeez. Oh goodness. Cage did his job, guys. This is why we cage cars, alright? Chat. Cage your car. That saved his life. 100%. My goodness.
Car got loose, and we got back in it again, just like any car, any driver that drives a fast race car will tell you how quickly they can get away from you. That's exactly what happened there. The car, after getting straightened out once, and with the turbo or pro-charged car and that much horsepower coming back in, you're not perfectly straight going down the racetrack, you're going for a ride.
Hey, Kev! No, they're going to come off with cars.
That's one thing I've never been a big fan of running down the field, so whatever. You throw the fire at them. Of course, if you just turn it around and back it into the wall with one, it throws the fire at you. Yeah, it's leave it dump in the middle no matter which way it goes.
Very glad you're okay. He's out. He's out of the car, guys. He's out of the car. Driver's out of the car. Oh, shit. He rolled several times. You all right, brother?
Yeah, I'm good.
They just shear off?
Yeah. Fucking stud sheared right off.
Before we
He literally
went
just
back
torqued
in?
it. Yeah. They just,
All right, man?
the stud sheared right off. No kids pick up that. Such a nice guy. Left lane wrecked. Left lane wrecked. He kind of saved it though. He might be okay. I don't know how hard it hit the wall. All right, guys, he's okay. You know, he did tap the wall, but shit. They're gonna get this off the track. Gotta clean up that coolant. Damn. Hate to see this, guys. Still front end damage there. Obviously, it's gonna need to be rebuilt. We got a lot of coolant on the track here.
It's a good save. It's a great day.
Right,
come on now.
just a little touch.
Good save. Good save.
Oh shit, he crashed, guys. Oh damn, he crashed, he hit the wall. What's important, the driver's okay. Everybody's good, everybody's safe.
Tire blew the motor, blew the tire.
Blew the motor, blew the tire. Wow. Oh, the motor blew and hit the tire?
That's what I think. That's what I heard. But for sure the tire exploded.
The tire exploded, yeah. Okay. He's okay, he's good, he's good. Driver's okay, guys. Jesus. Thankfully. Jesus. Well, Jimmy's okay. That's what's important, guys. Cars can be rebuilt. He's over there, medic Jesus. And oh no! Oh shit, what was that? Left lane went in the wall at the traps. You alright, brother?
Yeah.
You good? You good?
I locked up those tires, though. I started facing the wall, but just hold the brakes.
Oh, shit.
Who's in charge? Right here. Hook around the back, but pull it out. Okay.
Alright, a couple of flat tires. This car's gonna survive. Oof. That could have been way worse, guys.